What's what we do from here?
God have mercy. God have mercy.
Mount your camera on a tripod, use landscape mode, then you walk in and start dancing. Then after some few seconds, you can make a stand like you see me do, as if somebody just suddenly come and start dancing with you. Then after that, you continue your dancing again, alright? You can dance for some few minutes, dance for some few seconds. Then after making this dance now, you can now walk out, alright? Save the video to your gallery and head over to CapCut. CapCut, new project, import your video to workspace, then click on your video, go and look for volume, alright? Click on your volume now, reduce it to 0, mark on the good and go back. So at this point, we want to locate where we want our video to start from. There is a motorbike I want to cut out. When I was recording, the man just crossed. Look at him, he has passed. Then you click on the video now, make a split, delete this first part, we don't need it again. So click on the video now and expound it, alright? Expound it a bit. Then at this point now, you are going to be clicking anywhere. Click on overlay, import your green screen skeleton, alright? Click on your skeleton, go and look for remove BG. Click on remove BG, chroma key, drag it up, mark on that good and go back. Come back and click it again now. Click it, go and look for adjust. Look for adjust. Click on adjust now. HSL, locate it, click on it, mark on that green, saturation, reduce it to 100%. Mark on the good and go back. Okay, so at this point now, we want to expound the skeleton and position him the place the way we want him to be. Okay, look at it. After positioning him now, after positioning the skeleton, we want to do what we call duplicate. You go to the back, the ending part, this place, you duplicate the green screen skeleton. We are going to use it. As you duplicate it now, you come back. This place now, the place where I jump up is where we are going to be. Immediately, I did as if I jump. You mark on it and make a split, alright? Then you go out. You mark and make another split. Delete this center part. So at this point, we want to reduce the green screen because it's too long. Mark, click, delete this last part. So at this point, you come back, alright? Let us click on this green screen now. Then you apply keyframe. Click on it and apply keyframe. Click on keyframe, then push this skeleton up. Push it up completely. Push it up completely. Push it up completely. Then you adjust the video a bit. Then drag him down now. Drag the skeleton down. Drag it down again. Good. This is good. So at this point, let's just see how it look. Let us see how it look. Alright. Let's see how it look. Good. Look at it now. Look at the skeleton now. So you can see, like, comment and share this video so that YouTube will recommend it to other subscribers out there. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more updates. Alright, go and locate your notification bell so that YouTube will always notify you whenever we drop our amazing tutorials. Alright, give us thumbs up if you like what we are doing. So at this point now, we are going to be stopping here. Alright, you will apply another keyframe. Okay, apply another keyframe here. Apply keyframe here. Then drag this skeleton to yourself. You want to make it disappear into you. Drag this skeleton to yourself. All right, drag the skeleton to yourself. Good. At this point, crop it a bit. Leave it like that. Come here and click and add mist here so that immediately you get to that place, you will disappear. Good. Look at it now. Look at it. Good, you disappear. So this place now, we are going to click on add overlay. We want to import our light. The light we are going to be using here Then you import the light inside, bring the light in, then go and mark out where you want to use in this light. The light is so long, so mark out where you want to use, make a split, delete this one, then you come mark this place, make a split, you delete the other part, we don't need it again. All right, then at this point click on this one, drag it to this place, click on the light now and go and click splice. Click on the light, click on it, click splice, filter. That is good. Mark on that good and go back. Adjust the light yourself. So immediately the skeleton enters you, the light will just blink. All right. So this is good. Okay, look, then you take time and make your necessary adjustment. You can see me adjusting my own. Take time to do your necessary adjustment. After that, let's play the video and see the result of the video. The video is playing now. Let's see the result of the video. Okay. Look at that man there dancing with skeleton. We need the result to tell us who dance best. Skeleton and this man here. Who carries the day? Who is the best dancer? Look at it. Look at it. Tell us who dances best. All right. Tell us who dances best. So good. At this point, your video is ready. Just come here and trim this place to be equal with the light. All right, at this point, this video is ready. What will be remaining now is to add your sound effect, your light effect, and your write-ups as the case may be. After that, you will now export your video. All right, but maybe you are saying, I don't know how to do that. I want you to put me through. Don't worry, we have got you covered. At the description of this video, my number is there. Just go and DM me. Then I'll put you through how you add your necessary effects. And after that, you can now export your video. All right. Then you click on export now and export your video. Now this video is exporting to our gallery. Just exercise patience a bit. The video is exporting now. All right. The video is exporting. Just give the video a few seconds to finish exporting. All right. The video is exporting. Now this video have finished exporting. The video have installed in our gallery. You can now share it to your social media handles. Okay, like, comment and share this video so that YouTube will recommend it to other subscribers out there. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more updates. Locate your notification bell so that YouTube will always notify you whenever we drop our amazing tutorials. Thanks for watching. Stay safe.